In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use the Perplexity Comet browser. By following these steps, you will be able to perform searches, open websites, and access various features of the browser with ease. To start your search, locate the center box on the main interface of the Perplexity Comet browser. This is where you can input your queries. For instance, you might type something like weather in Manila, best digital marketing tips, or how to learn Python. After entering your query, press the Enter key on your keyboard. You will then receive answers displayed on the screen, providing you with the information you need. If you wish to initiate a new chat, look for the new thread option located on the left side of the interface. Click on this option to open a new chat window. For example, you can ask how to grow a Stan store page quickly. Once you type your question, press Enter again, and a new answer will appear, allowing you to continue your inquiry seamlessly. When you want to open a specific website, click on the top bar of the browser. Here you can paste or type the URL of the website you wish to visit. For example, entering https://stan.store will take you to the Stan store homepage. Similarly, typing https://perplexity.ai will direct you to the Perplexity AI homepage, and https://news.google.com will open Google News. After typing the URL, press Enter to navigate to the selected site. While browsing a website, if you have questions about the content, click the center box again. You can ask questions like, explain the features of this page or summarize this article. This feature allows you to gain insights directly related to the information displayed on the current page. To access additional options, look for the top right corner of the browser interface where you will find an arrow pointing downwards. Click this arrow to reveal the menu. From this menu, you can access bookmarks, downloads, and tabs, providing you with quick navigation to your saved items and ongoing tasks. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.